We at Mac Marketing Corporation strongly believe that quality and service must never be compromised. Our 40 years of dedication in the field of ball and roller bearings have proven success stories for endless applications from aerospace to heavy engineering industries. So please contact us for free technical support to use the right bearing for your applications and use our extensive experience which we have gathered over the years in buying the right technology for bearings and supply of the same.